10 years ago. And she had to deal with those people that were saying, you know, probably your past life, come on. Do we really believe that there are problems that are just cast upon us because we deserve it? I mean, we deserve challenges in life and we can make those challenges for ourselves, but sometimes, you know, you just have bad luck and you have to deal with it, and you probably can if you manage to get the right connections. So community, yes, you learn from your community. Technology, yes, you have technology available. And, well, bring those two things together. Bring a community of technologists together and maybe sprinkle a little bit of idealism on top of it. And then you get the open source community. You get people that think, all right, maybe we have the means or the knowledge to do something that can help somebody else. And we are motivated by making it excellent. So we are not closing our code and selling you the magic mojo. We are putting it out in the open and saying, if there's anybody else who actually can use this code, just go for it, use it. And maybe you're a better coder than I am, and you can help me grow as a professional, fix my code and send the fixes back to me and help me grow. This became, thanks to a guy named Richard Stallman, became the GNU General Public License. And the GNU General Public License says something along the lines of you are authorized to use, share, change, do whatever you want with the code. Please give it back. When you've done something with it, send it back to the source, because it can benefit everybody. And people thought, you must be nuts. Well, look now, almost 30 years later, there are companies like SUSE that took this incredible idea that people were laughing about and are bringing it to the enterprise. I mean, there are customers here in South Africa that we have as public references that are using Linux technology, that is open source technology, to power their core business systems. And they are running your money, they are running your shops, they are running things that are key for even local governments, like the ETEC municipality. Foolish, why not? But why yes? Why yes? Because when you do it this way, you create excellence in the code. So you practically build something that is very hard to break. And you might say, how can it be hard to break if you're exposing the code to every possible hacker? That's exactly the point, and Charles is going to touch about that later. Yes, you're exposing the code to every possible hacker. So people are going to tell you, hey, watch out! There's a security hole right there. And by the way, since that's the code and they can see it and read it and understand it, you have a hole there, and this is the patch. So rather than hoping for the better when you get a closed source system that is sold to you by wizards, that say, hey, this is the cure to all your illnesses. Trust me. You have other people saying, like sitting in a room like ours, that are saying, how can we make it even better? How can we make it scale at an even bigger scale? How can we make an operating system that can run from a Raspberry Pi down to an embedded system and up to a supercomputer? That if you want to buy one, no, don't. I mean, let a big company buy it for you, because without $500,000, you're not going to get, the little runt of the family. You have people that come together, inspire each other, and they're not afraid of their, literally their vulnerabilities, because they write code that is vulnerable to an attack. And they lay it out there. And the reaction is usually, oops, sorry about that, and thank you for the patch. And then you got companies like SUSE and like our competitors that take this code that, as I said, it's free, completely free, and tell you, okay, but do you have really the time and the manpower to look after that Or maybe you would like to have somebody that is helping you with the task of managing, a key system for your company, that when it goes down, you start counting the millions of dollars that you're losing every hour. It's better to pay a little bit less. And I'm using a euphemism, maybe you don't know, but it's a lot less. Because the development is so widespread that you can actually benefit from a whole community of people that code for free for you. They code for free for each other. So please let not take this like they code for me. Nobody codes for me. Like I don't sell for myself. I sell for my customers and I sell for their customers. When I sell Linux to African companies, I sell Linux to you. I sell a solution to you. When you use the internet, or when you just whip out your Android phone, you are using Linux. And you are not even paying like a tenth of what you're paying with a proprietary system. And you still enjoy a top-notch experience, and your feedback is heard. So yeah, can you just go from a little idea to a world-changing experience? So yes, you can definitely do that. But then you can bring it, one step forward, because it's open technology. What does it mean that it's open? It means that you can get in.